So this is the sketch of illegal dump. We are in a place called Swayimane in Pietermaritzburg, near Pietermaritzburg in KwaZulu Natal, South Africa. So this place is very close to Indian Ocean. So as you can imagine, as the water flows through this dirt, so it goes all the way and it finds its way to the ocean through the lagoon beach of Indian Ocean. So our solution is to try and curb this type of a thing, where we first and foremost teach the community that there is value in trash. So instead of throwing these things away, they can generate some income from them. So this is part of our initiative so that we can contribute significantly to the climate change.